In this video, I'll show you how to brainstorm unique gift ideas using ChatGPT. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. So ChatGPT is going to become your new best friend when it comes to gift giving. If you're trying to buy a gift for someone that you love, all you have to do is just be really specific about the person that you're trying to buy a gift to and tell ChatGPT about the things they love, any hobbies that they have. If they have any specific interest, that would be great as well. So a great example of a prompt that we can use is this one. So this is what I told ChatGPT. Give me a unique gift idea for a 30-year-old woman who loves yoga, cooking, and sustainability. My budget is $50 and her favorite color is pink and she loves roses. So let's see what ChatGPT does for us. So as you can see, ChatGPT just gave us a list of about 8 gift ideas that in my opinion are really creative and thoughtful. If you want to know where to purchase these items, you can ask ChatGPT to give you suggestions of places where you can go or where you can order this gift. So all you have to do is tell ChatGPT, can you tell me where I can purchase these gifts? As you can see, ChatGPT gave me about 3 options of every single gift of places where I could go order all these products. So for example, for the pink yoga mat, it gave me options like Amazon and Leafform. For eco-friendly rose-scented candles, it gave me options like Etsy, Amazon, and so many different things. And of course, the more specific you are about the person and the gift that you want to get that special person, the best answer ChatGPT is going to give you. And that's it. I hope you're able to get an amazing gift, and I hope this video helped.